make and model of your bike, please?
So it's a 2012 Ducati 1199 Panigale S.
Okay.
That has a good amount of miles on it. It's definitely been ridden. I've done a few things here and there, like did all the yearly maintenance that I needed to before I started riding it. Changed out to the race seat, got the more aerodynamic mirrors.
Yes.
And yeah, that's basically.
Are you a new rider or what?
I've been riding for like 2.5 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this your first bike?
No, I've had this is my fourth one.
This is your fourth bike.
Yeah.
2.5 years and fourth bike?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
2 bikes a season.
2 bikes a season. So are you going to keep this one for a while, or are you going to trade it in again also?
This has been my favorite one so far, but
okay.
I've ridden a V4 and I'm looking into going into a V4.
V4, okay.
Yeah.
Even though the V4 styling is not as good as the styling of this one.
No, it's still
the V4 they're gonna have
not the new one.
Oh, not the new one. Okay. Not the you want a single swing arm, basically, right?
Single swing arm.
Okay,
I mean, it's the one thing that you can tell, like, oh, it's a Ducati because it's a single swing arm.
You know, KTM does it too.
Yeah,
you know that?
I saw that.
Yeah, you know.
I was like, oh wow, but they were the first.
Okay, so I also was a Ducati owner. I had a V2.
Right,
so
cool.
I sold it because it was not very comfortable. How do you find this as comfort-wise, the heat and things of that nature?
With the OEM seat, it was super uncomfortable. Like the OEM seat had no padding. I could feel all the heat soak through it.
Yes.
The heat is still a problem.
Okay.
Because obviously the cylinder head is right there.
Right.
But this seat and being more high up away from the heat and being able to.
So you changed the seat?
Yeah, I changed the seat. Yeah.
So changing the seat made it a lot more comfortable and okay. But I know you can't do much about the heat coming out from here.
The only thing that I've seen that you could do is you can heat wrap the bottom of the seat.
Yes.
And heat wrap the bottom of the tank to help with it. I've seen a lot of V4 owners with the OEM tank pads.
Yeah.
They start melting off and like pushing forward.
Exactly. Because the heat of it. Now, what is your riding style? Do you take it to track or highway or twisties or what?
Everything. I try to do everything. I'm slowly collecting all my track gear. Just picked up a pair of boots. Looking to pick up a pair of pants.
Okay.
And this definitely is not gonna be the track bike.
No. I would imagine like a 600 maybe.
Yeah. Like a 600.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something
like a Gixxer.
Yeah. Something that's not.
Yeah.
Something that's not around like in the 5-digit range.
Yeah.
Something definitely in the 4.
Yeah. I figured a 600 Gixxer or something like that is really good for a track.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Or I've met a few people that track their 400s. 400s are super good track bikes.
What about the maintenance?
No. I just kept the plate on there.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
He just got it and he never bothered changing the.
I was just like, well, I've in the 2.5 years that I've been riding, I've never been stopped.
Oh, good.
So I was just like, whatever. If they do stop me, I have proof of my registration and everything, so I'll be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
They'll just probably just tell you to go change it.
They'll tell me to go change it.
It's not a big deal. Yeah.
They might just give you a.
Coming from? Was it a long ride? Is it your first bikes and breakfast?
No, this is my 4th one.
For this location?
Yeah,
okay.
Location.
Oh wow. Okay.
I came all the way from Silver Spring.
Silver Spring?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you take 270? You took this?
I took 200 all the way up.
200?
Yeah, I took 200
cool.
all the way up, and then I got to the back road.
Oh, sweet. For Poolesville. Yeah, good. Oh, it's awesome. Let me ask you, how much did you pick this bike up for around?
Around? It was one of those. So I had sold my last bike. It was a 2012 GSX-R. I sold my last bike on Friday.
Yeah.
On Saturday, I went out to breakfast and I was going through Marketplace and everything.
Yeah.
And this popped up and it was up for 30 minutes. So I sent him a request and he was like, oh, someone's coming to look at it, this and that. I was like, dude, I have cash in hand from the last bike I sold the day before.
Yeah.
I was like, I'll come get it right now.
Yeah.
And later on that night, I went and picked it up for about like 9.
9, okay.
Yeah. For about 9.
Okay.
Then that's like without the maintenance and like some stuff that was wrong with it that fixed.
Did you fix it yourself or did you take it to somebody?
No, I'm a technician.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay. A bike technician?
No, Audi.
Audi. Oh, okay. Here in Rockville?
No, the one in Silver Spring.
In Silver Spring Audi? Okay, cool. So you're very familiar with how to fix things, that means, you know?
Yeah, mostly like all these. This is basically a VW group
Yes,
bike.
exactly.
So it has a whole bunch of torques and triple squares, like all the tools that I already have.
That you already had the
tools.
tools? Good. So do you do that kind of work for your friends or things of that nature too?
Yeah.
You do?
I do it for anybody that asks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So do you have like a page, like a YouTube page or anything?
I do not. I only have my personal Instagram,
Oh, okay,
which
okay.
I communicate through people.